Robinson. We have a 2021 model Bushwhacker model FB.
Where are you from?
My wife.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kansas City. So my wife took all of the decals off, and between my wife and my daughter, they came up with these stickers. So we could probably get a shot of the back and the side. So just another shot of what we got going on here. She went online and found a whole bunch of sayings. She got like 20 sayings and said, here, pick 10 of these. And so I picked some, she picked some, and these are what we came up with.
I love it.
Give it a little flavor.
You got to make it your own.
So I'm going to talk about my 6th grade carpentry skills. So we took out the Coleman cooler, and with my 6th grade carpentry skills, I made a little table thing to go into that space. It actually will pull out and fold up. And then I bastardized a bamboo cutting board. I'm sorry to the people who made it, because it's a hack job at best.
Honestly, we didn't know that this piece comes out, and so he just made the thing to fit with that piece at the bottom. But I know a lot of people have taken the bottom piece to make it their top.
Who knew?
Who knew? I picked this up at...
Sorry that I'm waving this microphone around.
No,
We're all sharing.
Keurig is important. Just saying. You got shore power, you got Keurig.
I picked this up just recently at the what's the
Container
store?
store?
The Container Store. So now I have a drawer, because my husband is not qualified to build a drawer. So I also put a nail right here
Ooh,
to hang.
very nice.
Just a simple little thing.
Sometimes the simplest ones are the most handy.
We're all about as simple as we can get. So I have a little sticking on the back thing here, and it just stuck on there, and it fits right nice.
Very nice. Let me take a little peek in here, see what we're working with.
The tub, we use as storage, but it fits right perfectly into the sink. So what we'll do is we'll take all the stuff out of this tub, and there's no gray water tank, there's nothing, there's just a little drop spot. So we'll take that out, slide it under, and that's our gray water catcher.
I have
so
almost the exact same tub. I do the exact same thing. It's very handy, and some places you go, you have to.
Yes.
If they see that you're draining under the trailer, you can get a ticket.
This I got at college time. At the time of college, they have all the stupid cheap stuff you can find, and so this was just a dorm room kind of setup, and we've added some necessary Pampered Chef pieces to it. But
this is totally my speed. Most of my stuff is yard sale finds, and if it fits in there, it lasts for a bit, and
Absolutely.
If it's easy to pack.
so this is a Mountain Smith table, and it just folds up
I love it.
really easy, and then the underneath folds down too.
It's about the size. It's about the size of one of those collapsible, one of your, camp chairs. It'll be about that size once it's all folded up.
So it just goes in real easy into the cabin, and we pull it out to set up. So we went with the Iron Man because it's cheaper than the ARB. And our friends down the way, Steph and Andrea,
have them.
they had them, and so we were like, okay, looks good enough for us. We don't need anything fancy.
So it rained for a good part of last night. How'd it make out for you?
So
We had some puddling on top.
what's really cool though is that it doesn't, like the top of the room is another layer. So it's not like it's open to the awning. So the inside is dry.
Yes.
The awning catches it all.
Yeah, the awning's like a rain fly on your tent. So there's like a tent on the side of your Schwacker. We got it also, sometimes we go camping with the granddaughter, and soon we'll probably take the grandson. We took the grandson once. He's not old enough yet. But we stuck some cots out here. So wife and granddaughter staying out there. I stayed inside with the grandson. So there's just a little more room.
Perfect. So it gives you a little bit more
A little more space.
I don't know if I'm gonna come up on the mics, but
Yeah.
it gives you a little more space and allows you more sleeping quarters.
Yes, absolutely. That's the whole plan, is that when we take the grandkids, they have a place to be, and we found some great cots for them. So, oh, he's set out some other things there.
So I have this. Mine is the Venti brand, but boy, is this thing nice.
It's fantastic. So Brooks has been
USB.
overheating a lot, so we decided that we needed to double check.
I'm a large man. I need cool air.
Awesome, we're back together. Pizzy, pizzy. We're going the wrong way.
She wrote back. No, good.
Now I recognize what you have down there.
Yeah, that's the Newair that you told us all about a while back.
All right, so no sales pitch here. Has it been good for you?
Yes, it's been a great thing to have. You know, we talked about the fan earlier because Brooks gets hot. And so this trip I was really concerned. And so I have popsicles with us. Now,
Popsicles camping.
now we left over a week ago. We left on Wednesday. So that was 9 days ago. And we've had these in here the
So
whole time.
there's a real testimonial. I'm not lying
Yeah, I
when
mean,
I say, you know,
these-
it's a really good product. The compressor's good. Have you used the bottle opener?
Have we used the bottle
I have
opener?
not used the bottle opener.
So Brooks is also very good about making sure we have plenty of bottle openers with us. So this bottle opener has not happened yet, but I will tell you, that was a selling point for my husband. That was
bottle
maybe
opener.
the clincher. We also have not used this, but I did remember that we had it.
Yes, you serve cheese. Little
Yeah.
cheese platter on it.
And we have I've flipped the lid every other day. I think I'm flipping the lid for some reason.
It really is handy. I've been really happy with it as a unit. So we have a happy customer of the Newair compressor fridge.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. I'm just talking about my shoe holder here. It fits right under this step. I think it came with a back piece too, but I don't know what happened to that. And it folds down. I throw it on top of the bed. on top of
Very, very
everything else.
handy. Does it get most of it out of the rain?
Yeah, it does, because the shoes fit under here. But the other thing we do is we have shower caps. So the shower caps just fit right over the shoe. If you think you might have shoes you don't want to get too dry, too wet, then you just pull out a shower cap and stick it on and slide them under there. Good to go. We don't have to smell his feet overnight, and that's an important piece of camping. So we bought these little corner buffer things. They're like for toddler furniture, you know, to save your toddler from hitting their head on the corner of the mantle or whatever it is. But his toes would reach. I mean, he's a large man and he takes the entire bed.
Yeah.
And so his
All of the
feet
bed.
are like right there at that air conditioner spot. And so he's like, honey, I'm going to lose a toe if we don't get something to cover
I
this.
did like puncture my toe on the corner twice. It's
And-
like, we gotta have some.
So toe guards.
So
An
toe
excellent mod for
guards.
the FB.
You know, if you're a big man, for sure.
Or big woman.
Or a big woman, that's right.